Good morning, student. I am O.V. Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the IoT application from chapter 4. Now, in this video, we discuss the challenges in IoT. There are number of challenges in IoT. These challenges can be of two types. One may be in IoT system only and other in business kind of challenges. Let's discuss all the challenges in IoT one by one. First, compatibility and interoperability of different IoT systems. Sensors and networking are the integral component of IoT. But not every machine is equipped with the advanced sensor and networking capabilities of effective communication and share data. Besides, sensors of different power consumption capabilities and security standard inbuilt in legacy machine may not be capable to provide the same result. That means in a sensor using a sensor and a networking devices in our IoT there is a advanced sensor and network capabilities required. Besides, the sensor of different power consumption capability and security standard is inbuilt in a machine. Next, identification and authentication of technologies. According to a report, there are around 20 billion connected devices at present. And to connect all these devices involves a lot of security risk and not just complexity. Bringing along a large number of connected devices on one platform need formalization and the system architecture that can identify and authenticate those devices. That means to design an IoT network there are number of devices get connected and the IoT is formed. So there is a large risk of security and it is not just complexity. The large number of connected devices on one platform need formalization and system architecture that can identify the authentication of those devices. Third, integration of IoT product with the IoT platform. The major challenge here is too many IoT endpoints and assets that need to be connected to aggregate the sensor data and transmit it to an IoT platform. Only with the deep integration, companies can mine a huge data through big data technique to generate insight and to predict the outcome. That means the major number of challenges here to send our data to the endpoints and asset that need to connect the aggregate sensor of data and transmit it to the IoT platform. Fourth challenge is connectivity. It is a part of networking challenge as the internet is still not available everywhere at the same speed. A global mobile satellite company in most relieved that 20% finds connectivity issues as one of the biggest challenge in IoT deployment. That means connectivity is the biggest challenge in IoT. Next challenge is handling unstructured data. Growing connected device will increase the challenges of handling unstructured data on the parameters of volume, velocity and variety. However, the real challenge for organization is to determine which data is valuable as only quality data is actionable data. That means to handle the unstructured data there is a parameter which considered those are volume, velocity and variety. The real challenge of organization is to determine which data is valuable or actionable. Next challenge is data capturing capabilities. The purpose of capturing data is to transfer the information collected from various sources in a standard format that can be analyzed and automated. This is the data capturing capabilities. Next challenge is intelligent analytics. A flaw in data or a data model could lead to false positive or false negative. We have to understand the data in itself is not as insight, rather right questions have to be asked from the precise data to gain the insight. That means intelligent analytics do work to find the data is false positive or false negative. It may be understand data itself. Next, data security and privacy issue. Even top companies like Apple, known for big security claims, and like it has been spread by hackers. Recent cases of ransomware attacks have also challenged the confidence of corporate. That means data security and privacy issue provide the hardware, software, and the connectivity will all need to be secure for IoT object to work effectively. Without security, any connected object can be hacked. That means once the hacker gain control, they can take control over the object functionally and steal the user digital data. Uses the digital data. Next challenge is consumer awareness. Many people are not aware of IoT, but they understand the dependence of smart apps like news app, stock application, entertainment application. It is not actually important for a consumer to have things work technically, but lack of basic awareness can create a fear of security and a cost which could lead to the slow adoption of technology. That means so many people who not aware with the IoT, they know what could IoT do. It use in smart apps, it use in news apps, stock application, entertainment application, but actually it is important for the consumer to have things work technically, but lack of basic awareness, it fear to use that devices. Next, delivering value. Next challenge is delivering value. This data reveal the struggle of IoT application development companies in the beginning the value for their consumer. So before plugging into the development of IoT application, an enterprise must clearly define what value they are going to deliver through what capabilities. That means the value or the data value can be reveal the struggle of IoT. The data value is of type of problem present in IoT based cloud computing. There are various reasons for this large generated data, like data store are in encrypted form and hard to analyze. Next, data coming from the IoT device are always in a raw format and difficult to store. Next, the density of IoT devices is increased each day, and it turned the volume of generated data in a growing very fast. This is the delivering value. Thank you. Keep watching my video.